Hello students, welcome to my channel Physics Universal Classes. So today I discuss about the problems based on the pulley problems, and okay, these problems is very important for the NEET and JEE mains level and Olympiad level. Okay, these are the problems asking the previous question papers for JEE mains and NEET level. Okay, first problem. A block of mass capital letter M is pulled along a horizontal frictional surface by a rope of mass M. If a force P is applied at the free end of the rope, the force exerted by the rope on the block is. Okay, this is the problem. It's a very important problem. A block of mass. A block of mass. Okay, this is the block of mass capital letter M is pulled along a horizontal frictional surface by a rope of mass. A rope of mass is M, small letter M. Small letter M. If a force P is applied at the free end of the rope, okay, the force is applied. The force is P. The force is P. The force exerted by the rope on the block is. Okay. The force acting in this direction. The acceleration acting same direction of the applied force. And the tensional force. The tensional force acting in this way. The tensional force acting in this manner. Okay. Acceleration. Okay, acceleration of the block A is equal to the force applied by mass of the block. Force applied by mass of the block, that is the total mass. Total mass. The total mass means, according to Newton's second law, here A is equal to the force is P. P by total mass, M plus M. Small letter M plus capital letter M. A is equal to P by M plus M. The force on the block, block is equal to mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration. Mass of the block into acceleration. Mass of block into acceleration. The force on the block, the tensional force T is equal to MA. T is equal to MA. Okay. In this A is equal to P by M plus M. Then T is equal to MA. T is equal to MA. Okay, this is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 2. Okay, equation 1 substituted in the place of in the equation number 2. Then T is equal to M into P. MP by small letter M plus capital letter M. This is the answer. Okay, it's a very important problem. A block of mass capital letter M is pulling along a horizontal frictional surface by a rope of mass. Okay, this rope of mass M. Okay, along the rope, the one force is acting. That force is called tensional force. One end of the free rope, one force is applied. That force is in this problem P. P is the one force. Okay, the force is acting in this direction, forward direction. The acceleration also acting in the forward direction. Okay, according to Newton's second law, A is equal to F by M. Acceleration of the block is equal to, okay, the force applied on a block by total mass. Okay, acceleration A is equal to force applied. Force is the P. P by total mass, M plus M. Mass of the block plus rope of the mass. Capital letter M plus small letter M. That is the equation number 1. the force on the block is equal to mass of block into acceleration. Okay, mass of the block, capital letter M into acceleration A. Okay, this A value substituted in the place of second equation A. Okay, then T is equal to MP by small letter m plus capital letter M. This is the first problem, is a very important problem. Two masses M1 is equal to 5 kg and M2 is equal to 4.8 kg tied to a string or hanging over a light frictionless pulley. What is the acceleration of the masses when left free to move? Take G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. This is the pulley problem. It's a very simple problem. In this problem, first draw the sub-pulley. M1 is equal to 5 kg, M2 is equal to 4.8 kg. Okay, M1 greater than M2. This is the M1, M2. Okay, acceleration is acting downward direction. So because M1 greater than M2. Okay, M1 greater than M2. In this acceleration is acting downward direction. First write equation M1G minus T is equal to M1A. Second equation T minus the tensional force minus M2G is equal to M2A. Okay, T cancel. Okay, remaining G into M1 minus M2 is equal to M1 plus M2 into A. Okay, and A is equal to M1 minus M2 by M1 plus M2 into G. That is equal to, here M1 is the 5 kg. 5 minus 4.8 by 5 plus 4.8 into 9.8. 5 minus 4.8 by 5 plus 4.8 into 9.8, that is equal to 0.2. Then acceleration A is equal to 0.2 meter per second square. This is the answer. Second problem answer, 0.2 meter per second square. Okay, this type of pulley problems is very simple problems. Here M1 greater than M2 because M1 is equal to 5 kg, M2 is equal to 4.8 kg. Already in the given problem M1 is equal to 5 kg, M2 is equal to 4.8 kg. Okay, or hanging over a light frictionless pulley, what is the acceleration of the masses when left free to move? Okay, take G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, the two blocks is attached to the end of the pulley. The end of the string is passing through a frictionless pulley. Okay, M1 greater than M2. The acceleration is acting downward direction. M1 side, M2 side acceleration is acting upward direction. Okay, the equations M1G minus T is equal to M1A, that is the equation number 1. T minus M2G is equal to M2A, that is the equation number 2. From 1 and 2, the tensional force minus T plus T, these two cancel. Remaining G into M1 minus M2 into, that is equal to G into M1 minus M2 is equal to A into M1 plus M2. Then find out acceleration in this problem. Acceleration, find out acceleration of the masses. Then A is equal to 0.2 meter per second square. This is the second problem. Okay, next to discuss about third problem. A block of mass small m is connected to another block of mass capital letter M is connected through a spring. The spring is massless. Okay, massless spring. The spring constant is K. The block are kept on a smooth horizontal surface. Okay, initially the blocks are at rest position and the spring is unstretched. Spring is unstretched. Then a constant force F starts acting on the block of mass capital letter M. To pull it, find the force of the block of mass M. Okay, it's very important problem and very easy. Okay, the block of mass M, small letter M, and a block of mass, another block of mass capital letter M is connected to a spring. Is connected to a spring. The spring is massless. The spring constant is K. Okay, one force is acting, then a constant force F starts acting on the block of mass M. Okay, force acting in this direction. The acceleration also acting in this direction. Okay, spring is massless. Okay, the one force is acting along the spring, acting along the string and the cable. So what type of force is acting? The tensional force is acting. Tensional force is acting. Then first write the equations. First to block of mass M, the free body diagram of block M, capital letter M, first write F minus T is equal to MA. F minus T is equal to MA. The from free body diagram of capital letter M, from free body diagram of a small letter M, the T is equal to small m into A. Small m into A. Okay, this is the equation 1 and this is the equation number 2. Okay, next where T is the force due to spring. Okay, equation 2 substituted in the equation 1. F minus MA is equal to capital letter M into A. Then F is equal to MA plus MA. Then F is equal to A into M plus M. M plus M. Okay, find the force of the block of mass M. Block of mass M. Then A is equal to F by M plus M. The block of mass M, T is equal to M into F by M plus M. Then T is equal to M into F, M, F by M plus M. This is the tensional force, the force of the block of mass M. So what type of force is acting? The tensional force acting along the spring or along the cable or along the string also. The tensional force is acting. Okay, let us consider take two blocks of masses. The first block is small m. Second block is capital letter M is connected with a spring. The spring is massless and the spring constant is K. So one force is acting. So what type of force? Some actional force is acting on a block of mass capital letter M. Okay, then find out the force of the block of mass small letter M. In the small letter M, the block, so what type of force is acting? Spring force. That is a tensional force is acting because the spring is connected to two blocks. The spring is connected two blocks of masses small m and capital letter M. Then find out the force of the block of mass M. Then T is equal to M F by M plus M. This is the third problem. Hope you like this video, students. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.